Ready for vacation, but packing gives you headache? Don't worry. This video will make it very simple and easy. I bought this makeup/toiletries storage bag to pack my items. You can pack your items as per your wish, but this is how I pack during my vacation. The major advantage of this bag is it fits a lot of products in them. Though it looks smaller outside, inside it can hold a lot of products. So come with me to pack my cosmetics for vacation. I bought this bag online. I will leave the link in the description box. It has one bigger zip compartment. Inside this compartment, it has 3 pockets on the side and 2 pockets on the other side. It also has 2 smaller compartments on either sides. In total, there are 7 pockets inside this bag. It also has a front zipper. It has 2 open compartments on the sides for easy access. This bag is washable. The size of this bag is 25 cm in length, 15 cm in height and 13.5 cm in width. Now let's put all our stuffs inside. In the first pocket, I put my moisturizer and serum. In the second pocket, I put my lipsticks. In the third pocket, I keep my aloe vera gel in it, which acts as a body moisturizer. In the side pocket, I keep a fixing spray. I keep a rose water spray in the other compartment. I also keep a makeup removing wipes in it. I keep all my eye products in single compartment. I keep my brown eyebrow pencil, a mascara, an eyeliner, a kajal and a black eyebrow pencil. In the side pouch, I keep my hair serum and a comb. I keep my brushes next to the fixing spray. The pockets are now filled. There is some space in between the pockets. I keep an eyeshadow palette. A face palette, a highlighter, one more highlighter, and 2 foundations. A small eyeshadow kit, baking powder, a face mask, and a body mist. There's a zipper compartment on the top. By the way, the S-hook is to hang this bag in your closet. I keep a toothbrush, a face wash, a shampoo, and a sample body wash powder. In the front zipper, I keep my lip balm. I keep my lip serum in the front zip, which will be an easy access during travel. There are 2 open compartments in the sides. I keep my foot cream, foot scrub and sunscreen in it. In the other one, I keep my medicines, which will be very easy to access during travel. Now the bag is ready. It is filled with a lot of products. If I carry these products separately in a suitcase, it would take quite a lot of space. By keeping the products in these kind of bags helped in space and utility. Using this bag during travel made me organized. I know which is kept where to take the product and where to keep it back in place, so that I don't miss or lose any stuff during travel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope this video would have helped you in packing your cosmetics and skincare and makeup during your holiday or vacation. Happy traveling! Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.